Respected President of our school, Reverend Daniel Thomas, governing board members, Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Nancy Phillips, Head Mrs. Mrs. Ashwini George, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. A warm welcome to one and all. At first, let me wish you a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. As we all know that today is 2nd October, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, who is commonly known as the father of our nation. We celebrate this day with great enthusiasm every year to pay tribute to Gandhiji. On 5th June 2007, the UN General Assembly has marked 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence because Gandhiji was a preacher of non-violence throughout his life. Mahatma Gandhi was a man of simple living and high thinking. He gave the world a precious message of non-violence. We will always remember Bapuji as a symbol of peace and truth. Let me wind up by quoting the great man. My life is my message and the future depends on what we do today.
In 1869, October 2nd, born at Porbandar, Gujarat, he was son of Karamchand and Putli Bai Gandhi. In 1883, married Kasturba at the age of 13. In 1888, September 4, sailed from Bombay for Southampton, England to study law. In 1891, returned to India, began to practice law in Bombay and Rajkot. In 1893, April, when South Africa's lawyer for an Indian firm found himself subjected to colour discrimination at Pietermaritzburg station. In 1894, May, set up the National Indian Congress. In 1899, organized Indian Ambulance Corps for the British in South Africa. In 1902, returned to South Africa. In 1904, established the weekly journal Indian Opinion, organized Phoenix Farm near Durban. In 1906, September, first Satyagraha campaign in protest against the proposed Asiatic audience. In 1907, organized a Black Act against the compulsory registration of Asiatic. In 1908, January, 2 months imprisoned in Johannes Jail. In 1908 to 1909, February, 2nd Satyagraha, imprisoned for 3 months in Pretoria Jail. In 1910, May, established Tolstoy Farm near Johannesburg. In 1913, September to November, 3rd Satyagraha, arrested 3rd time, imprisoned in 4 days. In 1915, January 9, leave South Africa forever and return to India after 21 years. In 1915, May, established Sabarmati Ashram near Ahmedabad. In 1917, led success Satyagraha for the rights of the peasants on indigo plantations in Champaran. In 1918, February, led strike for the mill workers at Ahmedabad. 3rd day fast. It was his first fast in India. In 1918, led Satyagraha for the peasants in Kheda. In 1919, protest of Raikot Act which curtails the civil liberties in India.
In 1919, April 13, Jallianwala Massacre under General Dyer British troops slaughter Indian protesters. 1920, April, elected President of All India Home Rule League successfully urged resolutions for a Satyagraha of non-cooperation. 1921, mass civil disobedience, thousands went to jail. 1922, suspended mass disobedience, arrested and imprisoned in Yerrapada jail for 6 years. 1929, arrested for burning foreign cloth in Calcutta and fined 1 rupee. In 1929, December, Congress session at Lahore voted for complete independence and a boycott of legislature. January 26, proposed as Independence Day. 3rd All India Satyagraha. 1930, March 12, set out from Sabarmati with 79 volunteers to sea at Dundee. 1931, September to December, attended the second round table conference in London. 1932, September 20, began fast unto death while in prison against British action, giving separate electorate to untouchables. In 1932, September 6, concludes fast in presence of Rabindranath Tagore after British accepted Yarbanda Pact. 1933, began weekly publication of Harijan in place of Young India. 1933, November, began 10-month tour of India to help end untouchability.
In 1942 March, met with sustainable Krebs in New Delhi called a post-dated check. In 1942 August 8th, Quit India Movement, the final nationwide Satyagraha campaign with Gandhiji as the leader. In 1943 February 10th, began fast at Aga Khan Palace to end deadlock between Viceroy and the Indian leaders. In 1944 February 22nd, Kasturba died in detention at Aga Khan Palace. In 1944 May 6th, Gandhiji was released unconditionally from detention. 1946 began Fourth Mantu. 1947 May opposed Congress decision to accept division of country into India and Pakistan. 1948 Gandhiji undertook a fast for 5 days to bring about communal unity on 30th January. 30th January 1948 Gandhiji was shot dead by a Hindu fanatic Naduram Vinayak Godse, who was deadly opposed to Gandhiji's effort to bring about Hindu-Muslim amity, thus ended the life of greatest Indian since Buddha. Rest in peace at Rajghat.